In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple discounts in Shopify. If you've ever wondered how to effectively manage and combine different discounts on your Shopify store, then you're in the right place. Combining discounts can be a powerful strategy to boost sales and customer engagement. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a series of options, one of which is labeled Discounts. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your discounts management page where you can create, edit, and view all the discounts you currently have on offer. Now that you're on the discounts page, look towards the upper right corner and find the button that says Create Discount. This is where we'll set up a new discount that can be combined with others. Clicking this button will open a new page with different types of discounts that you can create. For our purposes, select the option called Amount Off Products. This will allow you to create a discount based on a percentage or a fixed amount off the product price. Once you've selected Amount Off Products, you'll see an option for Discount Code. This is where you can input the specific code your customers will use at checkout to apply the discount. Choose a code that's easy to remember, but is also unique enough to avoid conflicts with other discounts you've created. Next, let's define the value of your discount. Click on Discount Value to enter the specific percentage or amount you want to offer. This decision might depend on your current sales strategy or inventory levels, so make sure it's competitive yet sustainable for your business. Following this, you'll see a section titled Eligibility. Here, you'll decide who can use this discount. You can make it available to everyone, specific customer groups, or just those who receive the exclusive code. Adjust these settings according to your marketing goals. To better control the impact of your discount, visit the Minimum Purchase Requirements section. This is where you set the minimum cart value or the number of products that must be purchased to apply the discount. It's a helpful tool for encouraging larger orders. Don't forget to check out the Maximum Discount Uses option. This limits how many times a customer can use the code, preventing excessive discount stacking that could hurt your profits. Now let's get to the crucial part for combining discounts, the Combinations option. This is where you'll allow or restrict this discount from being used in combination with others. Ensure you select the appropriate settings to achieve your desired promotional strategy. Lastly, you'll need to determine the active period for your discount under Active Dates. Schedule precisely when this discount will be available to your customers, aligning with your promotional campaigns or sales events. And that's it! You've now combined your discounts in Shopify effectively. Remember, it's essential to regularly review your discount strategies to ensure they continue to meet your business objectives while delighting your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.